Alright, this is a 2005 Hyundai Sonata with a 4-cylinder. It's got extremely rough idle on it and has approximately 130,000 miles. Just to give you a visual, you take it to the dealership, they tell you it's fine, that it's just normal rough idle and whatnot. See the bottle of water there? I mean, that's a pretty bad, serious rumble in the engine, serious vibration. You can see the water bouncing everywhere. I mean, more so on the steering wheel. You can actually hear it too. Now, what this is caused from, it's similar to a diesel injection engine. Basically, it's an injector. So it's difficult to pinpoint which one it is with this particular model of vehicle. And while you're doing the process, it's best just to replace them all.